12th Varsity Week of Assam University Diphu campus started from yesterday. 2 died after a speeding car bumped onto them at Sildharampur NH29 on Saturday.
Assam Mila 2022, organized by Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission at Diphu Club from 28 September to 1st of October 2022, where you may get self-help group products like handloom, handicraft, ethnic goods, etc. Please visit from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. There will be cultural program at the event, so all are requested to come and enjoy the puja cum cultural program, food and many more exciting events. If anyone wants to perform in the program like dancing, singing, please contact at reception office, venue or in the contact number shown on the screen 700-266-2214, 94011-47014, 8638051469.
Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 24th of September, Assam University Diphu campus marked its beginning of 12th edition of Varsity Week 2022. It was initiated by the Assam University Diphu Campus Students Union. The Varsity Week was commenced from 24th of September to 30th of September. The inaugural ceremony was organized at the campus in presence of in-charge Dean of Students' Welfare, Dr. K.H. Narendra Singh, Deputy Proctor, Dr. Rami H. Begum, and Department of Life and Science Bioinformatics, Head of Department, Dr. A.K. Tamuli. The flag was hoisted by Dean of Students' Welfare in charge, and the torch was lit by Deputy Proctor of AUDC. On the auspicious occasion, the inaugural ceremony, students from across the nation and various communities studying at AUDC displayed their traditional dress and took part in the 12th Varsity Week cultural rally to represent their respective department. The cultural rally was initiated by AUDC SU, led by Sarha Bekro, President, AUDC SU, and Samson Ingti, General Secretary, AUDC SU. As many as more than 200 students from various departments like Department of Anthropology, Assamese, Commerce, English, Geography, Hindi, History, Life Science and Bioinformatics, Political Science and Physics, along with professors of AUDC, had participated at the cultural rally.
Assam University Diphu campus, Dr. Charlie, University student tum doan te aku man ganda bangke kapre akhai tum ke topik sini tum ini bangke lam Varsity so cultural rally mande competition mande dengkondo.
On the initial day of 12th Varsity Week, indoor events like arm wrestling, chess and carom was organized. Several sports events, both indoor and outdoor, literary events and cultural events are scheduled in the following days. The Varsity Week would be celebrating for a span of days, that is 24th of September to 30th of September 2022. Longsodar Ingti's report, Karbi Anglong Live. On 24th of September, Dilip Singh Rongpar, along with his wife Nisha Rongpipi, resident of Hori Taru village under Dokmoka police station, went for a walk early in the morning at around 5:30 a.m. when the couple met a horrifying incident. A speeding car bumped into the couple from behind, killing one at the spot. It was reported that the couple was having their time taking a walk early in the morning at around 5:30 a.m. when a car bearing registration number AS01 EV 9414 heading from the south came with an unceasing speed and hit the couple from behind. It was also informed that Dilip Singh Rongpar died at the spot while his wife was taken to Dokmoka Medical Subcenter, where the doctor of Dokmoka SMC referred her to Guwahati. But due to sustaining critical injuries, she breathed her last midway to Guwahati. The driver of the car and his co-passengers were taken to Dokmoka police station for further investigation. They were identified as Rohit Sarma, Mondip Barua, Akash Sharma. Dongmukak police took over the case and the deceased bodies were sent to Diphu Medical College and Hospital for post-mortem. Bikram Teron's report, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.